Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. You're welcome to Baby's Kitchen, and this morning I'll be showing you simple breakfast ideas. If you want me to make a series concerning this, please drop it in the comment section below. Without further much delay, let us get right into the video. See how yummy it looks, see how good and yummy it looks. I had mine with my tea, so let's go. Yeah, I added my oil in my pan. I preheated it a little. See here, I'm testing for its hotness. Just preheated it. Then I added my chopped pepper, onion, and tomatoes. I stir fried it for some minutes, and I added my seasoning. I just kept it simple. I added salt and seasoning cubes. Just that, and that was what I did for the sauce. At this point, I'm going to add in my cracked eggs into my sauce. I just add it gently, allow it to simmer a bit, then I flicked it around. You see already it's bringing out the bubbles. I just moved it gently around a bit. I kept on moving it so it doesn't get burnt. So you move gently, and at this point I just stirred up. I kept on stirring it so it doesn't get burnt. Do you get? So you see, just kept on moving it. Please, if you end up trying this recipe, please let me know and let me know your comments. This is the end product. See how delicious it looks, how heavenly, how beautiful it came out. And I had mine with my pink tea. That's what I had. A slice of bread, my egg sauce, and a cup of tea. Simple breakfast idea. Simple breakfast. In under 5 minutes I was done. Thank you so much.